Out here in the field, I fight for my meals. I put my back into my living. I don't need to fight to prove I'm right. I don't need to be forgiven. No, no, no. It's a teenage wasteland. It's a teenage wasteland. Just a teenage wasteland. Just a teenage wasteland.